Hey guys, it's Mike the Scrapper. I never made a video on scrapping a flat screen computer monitor, so let's scrap this one and see what's inside. First thing you want to do, remove the base. There's nothing there, just a piece of steel, and let's get rid of it. That's it. All steel. Sometimes they do come in cast, but check them out. This one is just steel. So let's keep going. Okay, first piece of plastic. Got a little low-grade board. Low grade. Another piece of plastic. Steel. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Got some wiring, some ferrite. Let's see here. Let's take this one out first. Little board. Got a transformer, got some aluminum, copper, see that? Pieces of brass there, but it's a low-grade board. Piece of wire. Or I guess you call it a mid-grade. Little mid-grade board there. Little gold connections inside. Okay, stuff's looking better and better. Another nice little board here. Inside here you're going to see pieces of copper. And there you see some copper from inside those little, I guess they're called mini transformers. So let's just keep going. Okay, now we'll get into the good stuff. Move this. You see the connections in there? That's actually gold. Now, as far as this board, that's all gold. Okay, on a little 14-inch flat screen TV. Nice, huh? So we're going to remove this one. And again, more gold. There's another piece. There are easy ways of taking this out. And there it is again, another piece of gold. It's not much in there. It is nice to have, but there's not much. I know someone had told me that pretty much with these screens, they do something like solar panels or something. I'm not sure if it's this one or if it's the second one. If I can get the second one out. There we go. Like I was saying, I don't know if it was... I'm not sure what they use for the solar panels. So you guys help me out here. Is it this screen, this little paper here, or this really thick piece of glass? What is it that you guys make solar panels with? All right, I think it's something like this, but hey, I could be wrong. All right, so that's all done. Let's see what we got. Got some steel with some brass. Got brass here. Another piece of steel. Some more steel. More steel. We got some nice boards to go in your collection. We got some gold ones. Wiring, low grade. And look at these nice gold boards there. Little nice stuff here in your collection. This is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then, guys, peace!